I just got access to a $100,000 crypto trading account without risking a single dollar of my own money, and it's called BitFunded. And if you can pass a simple trading challenge, they'll give you 6 figures to trade, and yeah, you get to keep 90%. Let me show you how it works. So BitFunded is a crypto prop trading firm. That means you trade with their capital, not yours. And if you are profitable, they will split the profits with you. And you can actually scale up to $100,000 accounts. And the best part is you're not gambling with your own money. And now I'll show you how to exactly get started step by step. And don't forget, if you use my link in description, you're getting access to special bonuses that are not available to general public. For example, right now, if you buy 2 trading challenges, you get extra $5,000 challenge for free. So if you want special deals, of course, the link in description. So once you sign up, you'll need to choose your challenge account. So BitFunded offers a bunch of different options from $5,000 all the way up to $100,000. For this example, I will pick the smallest package, $5,000 worth funding account, just to show you how it all works. But the rules are the same no matter what size account you pick. So the $5,000 challenge costs only $79. That's it. For less than $100, you get the chance to trade bigger accounts and prove your skills. It's actually a great way to get started on a budget, especially if you never used prop capital before. And here's how the challenge works. There's 2 stages. Stage 1, you have to hit 8% profit. You have to trade for a minimum of 5 days, and you'll be trading with 5x leverage. After that, you move to stage 2. You have to hit only 5% profit. Again, 5 minimum trading days and still 5x leverage. And when you pass both stages, you get to keep the $5,000 funded account, and BitFunded pays you 80% of all profits you make. And again, you only paid $79 to start. Honestly, in my opinion, the risk to reward here is crazy. You're only risking a small entry fee, and the worst case scenario, you still gain valuable experience trading a larger account. And if you want to go bigger, it's the same deal. The $100,000 challenge costs only $799, and once you pass, you keep the account and you earn up to 90% of the profits. Yeah, crazy deal. All right, now let's go inside the platform and I will show you how the dashboard looks, how to track your progress, and of course, how to finish this challenge with profits. Once you log in, you can see we have a really simple layout. We have our information, the billing, the payouts, the help, because of course, if you have any questions, you can find the links in the description and also in the help section. But you can see right here, you can select the challenge. So click new challenge and select what challenge do you want to participate in. For this example, I will show again how the base challenge works. But if you want to buy it, you can also buy it using crypto payments or credit or debit cards. Again, this makes it accessible to everyone. But before doing this video, I actually bought this base account to actually show you how it all looks if you're starting fresh. So let's jump into our account. So once you purchase a challenge, you can see it appears right here, your challenge ID, stage, and also what kind of challenge you bought. So for this example, I bought the base one, which cost me $79, and I get $5,000 to trade. So once you're ready to start trading, you can click right here, trade. And actually, BitFunded has over 100 pairs of tokens. So you can find all the most popular tokens in the world right here in this platform. And if you ever traded before, I think you're going to be really familiar with this dashboard and this look, because it looks the same like Bybit, Binance, MEXC, and other centralized crypto exchange. You get all the same settings, you get all the same layouts, you get all the same tools. So first of all, again, as mentioned, we have all the most popular tokens right here. And if you want to look for some, you can actually enter on top. For example, Ethereum, we have it right here. Let's click on it. And right here, you can see the token price, and we can purchase limit orders or market orders or trigger orders. Let's start with the market order. And under that, we have amount. Basically, you can input what amount you want to purchase. So you can see we get $5,000 for $79. So let me show you how to open one of these positions. So for example, I want to open $100 position. And for example, if you think Ethereum will go up, you have to go long. If your Ethereum will go down, you have to go short or sell. So for this example, I think Ethereum will go up. So let's click buy long. Also, as I mentioned, all of these trades will have 5x leverage. You can see right here, 5x leverage, meaning you're actually borrowing 5 times more and your trade's going to be 5 times bigger. You can see right here, I was trading only $100, but my position is worth $500 because we had 5x leverage. And this is basically one of the rules of the challenge. All of the trades have to be with 5x leverage. And I think it's not a bad thing. Next up under that, you can see your profit or loss, and you can close all the positions right here. So you can click close all, confirm, and the position is closed. And if you're a complete beginner, but you want to start using platforms like BitFunded, if you want to start trading, we actually have VIP group where we share trading tutorials, courses, and also trading signals. For example, we had 2 weeks ago a really great signal about Filecoin, and you can see in the comments I posted my profit, which was 26%. So if you want to learn more about trading and copy professional traders, the link in description. Right now we have a special price. Let's jump in back to our platform. So once you're done trading for the day, you can jump in back to the dashboard. You can see right here our dashboard, and all of the challenges will have their own dashboard. So let's click on the dashboard, where you can find more information about the progress of your challenge. So you can see my challenge. You will see right here your profits and also losses. It's also going to be right here on the right corner. And under that, you can see all of the rules and the stages of the challenge. So you can see stage 1, what do you have to do? Then you're going to move to stage 2. Again, you have all the rules, how to pass stage 2. And then we move to stage 3, basically making money with our live $5,000 worth account. Again, guys, I think it's a really great tool for beginners, but also professionals, because we have this base deal for $79. So basically, if you don't have a big budget, but if you want to learn trading, you can actually invest only $79 and start trading with this big account. But if you have a bigger budget, you can actually go for the expert level. It costs only $800. And once you pass the challenge, you're getting an amazing deal on your money, because you get to trade this huge account and of course make a big percentage of the profits. So guys, if you have any questions, ask me in the comments, and don't forget to join our VIP group. All the links in the description, and see you next time.